Hello friends, my name is B.L. Bora. I am a retired IPS officer of 1967 batch, retired in 2004. You will be surprised what am I doing here. Well, I am here to assist Mr. K. Siddharth of the famous IAS Coaching Institute Ensemble in coaching the aspirants for the IAS. I had served in Delhi Police in the beginning of my career, later on in Manipur Police, where I was DGP and Home Secretary. Then I was DGP in Tripura. I have also served in all the paramilitary forces except the ITBP. And I have served in Punjab, I have served in Jammu and Kashmir, Northeast, and so I have traveled through the length and breadth of India in my duties. I've also been fortunate enough to be awarded with all medals, including President's Police Medal. Since my retirement, it has been my desire and passion to assist the young aspirants to the civil services examinations. I was fortunate to get in touch with Mr. Siddharth, who is a very well-renowned earth scientist, globally renowned. You'll be surprised if I tell you over 1 crore people have Google searched him. And in the past over 2 decades of ensemble, he has coached about 20,000 students and about 1,500 of them have made it to the services already. I was surprised to know from him that in every district of India and at every airport in India, one of the persons selected through his assistance and efforts, they are serving there, and whenever he goes out, he meets them. So I think that you are listening to a very exciting video now, because I am introducing you to Ensemble, and they have recently introduced the Civil Services TV channel also, which is getting a lot of viewership. Now, why I am here again, let me tell you that, as you know, civil services GS3 paper is very, very important. And one of the segments in that is on internal security. And I would be taking that, you know, the various portions of the syllabus. Now, every year there is one question or the other, sometimes even 2 questions in the paper, both prelims and mains. In fact, once there was an essay also carrying 125 marks. So it will be my privilege and pleasure to discuss with you the various topics in the internal security segment. I'll give you information, I'll analyze it, I will talk of solutions, and of course you will talk of solutions because you are young people, much more intelligent than we were, much better informed than we were. We had no Google in our time. So it will be a very exciting journey for you, and you will be at the right place to go ahead and do it. And let me also tell you, I am not the only so-called expert in this. There are eminent experts of various domains, which will be covering various segments of the syllabus. There will be officers of the Indian Foreign Service, Indian Administrative Service, Indian Income Tax Service, and domain experts in all fields. So it will be my pleasure to be a part of this group, this discussions with you. And I invite you to be there with us on this exciting journey. And I can assure you one thing, that the only thing which will come in your way in getting success will be the lack of hard work on your part. Nothing else is going to stop you. So thank you for listening to me and wish you all the best. God bless you. Bye-bye.